Hello friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is binary representation, which is asked in most frequent company Microsoft. So now open this question. So the question is binary representation. Write a program to print binary representation of a given number. So here n equals to 2, we just have need to convert it in binary in 30 bits. So the output is 30 bits string of given number n. So now see second example. So n equals to 5. So the binary representation of 5 is 101. So the output is in 30 bits. So now write the code for this problem. Firstly, we will convert the given number into a binary string. So first we will make a string. Here we store the given number as a string. So binary string. Binary string. Here we write the concept to convert integer number into binary string. So integer to binary string. Here we pass the number. Now we will take one more string s1 initialized with empty string. So now we just have need to concatenate the string in 30 bits. So merge the string in 30 bits. So here we use loop for concatenate the string. So int I equals to 0, I less than 30 minus binary string dot length. Then I plus plus. Now we will add s1 plus equals to 0. Now we will concatenate s1 string and binary string where we get final string. So we can directly return s1 plus binary string. So now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. All the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.